Supercharge your Chrome, boosting speed of Chrome browser. In the ever-expanding digital realm, Google Chrome has emerged as the go-to browser for millions worldwide. However, users often encounter sluggish performance issues that can impede their browsing experience. This video aims to address one particular aspect affecting Chrome's speed and offers a solution to supercharge its performance. Google Chrome, by default, operates without enabling hardware acceleration. This setting plays a crucial role in how Chrome utilizes system resources, impacting its overall speed and responsiveness. What is hardware acceleration? Hardware acceleration is a feature that allows Chrome to leverage the graphics card in addition to the CPU and software to render web pages. Step-by-step guide to enabling hardware acceleration. To enhance Chrome's speed, users can follow a straightforward process to turn on hardware acceleration. This step-by-step guide will walk users through the necessary settings adjustments. Open your Google Chrome browser. Click on the three dots in the top right corner. Select Settings from the menu. Click on the System option. Look for Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Turn it on. Chrome will prompt you to relaunch. Click OK to relaunch. Experience the newfound speed of your Chrome browser. How hardware acceleration improves Chrome's speed. Unveil the benefits of enabling hardware acceleration, highlighting the positive impact on Chrome's overall speed and performance, especially when dealing with graphics-intensive websites.